Imagine you're standing at a crossroads, both paths stretching out beneath the canopy of a deep forest. One path is well-trodden and familiar, lined with stories of others who've walked it before you. The other is less defined, overgrown with the promise of untold discoveries. This scenario is much like making decisions in the complex world of money and investing. It's about choosing between security and the potential for new opportunities, and understanding that each choice we make is a step on our journey through the financial landscape. Now let me take you back to a moment in my life. I remember sitting at my kitchen table, surrounded by a stack of bills and a modest paycheck, wondering how I could possibly make it all work. It felt like juggling, trying to keep all the balls in the air without letting one crash down. These moments can be overwhelming, but they also teach us valuable lessons about decision-making and prioritizing when it comes to our finances. Smart decision-making is like being a skilled navigator in a stormy sea. You need to understand the currents of emotion, the winds of market forces, and the compass of rational thinking. It's not about having an infallible map, but knowing how to read the stars when uncertainty clouds your way. Let's talk about fear and greed, two of the most powerful forces that can sway our financial decisions. They're like the sirens of Greek mythology, tempting us to veer off course. Fear whispers that the sky is falling every time the market dips, leading us to sell in panic. Greed, on the other hand, encourages us to chase after the next big thing, often without understanding the risks involved. Balancing these emotions is crucial for making sound financial choices. Think of Warren Buffett, who often reminds us to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This concept is a cornerstone of smart decision-making. It's about having the patience to wait for the right opportunity and the restraint to avoid jumping on trends just because everyone else is doing it. Buffett's approach is a reminder that the best decisions are often made when we step back, assess the situation calmly, and act with a long-term perspective. Now, picture a mental model like a pair of glasses that help you see things clearly. One such model is the margin of safety, a principle stolen from engineering and applied to investing. It suggests that we leave room for the unexpected, buying stocks at a price lower than their intrinsic value, for example, to cushion against unforeseen downturns. It's like ensuring we have enough air in our tires before setting off on a long journey. Our personal experiences and upbringing often shape our approach to money. Some of us grew up in environments where money was scarce, leading to a mindset of scarcity and caution. Others might have seen wealth mismanaged, creating a fear of losing what they have. Recognizing these psychological influences is key to understanding our financial behaviors and correcting course when necessary. Consider the story of the marshmallow test, a famous experiment in delayed gratification. Children were given the choice to eat one marshmallow immediately or wait to receive a second one later. This simple test reflects a profound truth about investing. Those who can delay gratification often find greater rewards. Investing is about planting seeds today and having the patience and discipline to watch them grow over time. In practical terms, smart decision-making means setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. It's about budgeting wisely, saving consistently, and investing in a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. It's also about revisiting your plan regularly and making adjustments as life circumstances and market conditions change. Let's not forget the importance of continuous learning. The financial world is constantly evolving, and staying informed about market trends, new investment products, and economic indicators can provide you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions. Think of it like tending to a garden. You must nurture your financial literacy to cultivate a bountiful future. In the end, money is simply a tool, a means to an end, not an end in itself. The true measure of wealth is not in how much we have, but in the freedom, security, and opportunities it affords us. As you walk your financial path, remember that every decision is a chance to learn and grow. Embrace the uncertainty, respect the risks, and use your knowledge and intuition to guide you towards a future that reflects your values and aspirations. As we wrap up this conversation, ponder this thought. What does wealth truly mean to you? Is it the numbers in your bank account, or is it something deeper, like the freedom to pursue your dreams and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're making choices that align with your values? Whatever your answer, let it guide you as you journey through the complex yet rewarding world of financial decision-making.